Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of the SOC Claims Intelligence platform by InsureNest. Today, I will show how this platform helps automate SOC claim processing, document validation, and anomaly detection using AI. One major problem in healthcare and insurance claim processing is that incoming claim documents are handled manually. Teams spend a lot of time checking invoices, validating claims amount, reviewing item codes, and identifying duplicate or suspicious claims. This process is slow, repetitive, and can lead to error or fraud leakage. InsureNest solved this problem with the SOC Claims Intelligence platform. So let's start demo. So this is the dashboard of the SOC Claims Intelligence platform where users can monitor claims activity, process documents, validations, and anomalies in one place. The dashboards give a quick overview of the overall claim processing workflow and help teams track operational activity efficiently. Now, let's move to the SOC Masters section. Here, users can create SOC masters by entering different regions, tiers, and provider names. Based on the business requirements, users can also configure routing rules manually so that incoming claims documents are routed to the correct SOC masters. Now, whenever claim documents are uploaded into the system, the AI automatically checks the documents and routes them according to the configured rules. This platform can extract important information from the uploaded documents such as invoice details, provider information, claim amount, item codes, and other medical billing data. After extractions, we can perform SOC validation. Through this validation process, the platform helps us understand which claim amount can be approved, which amount should be rejected, and whether the billing matches the SOC rules. The system also gives separate validation details for each item code mentioned in the invoice, which provides much better clarity during claim assessment. This helps claim teams make faster and more accurate decisions. Another important feature of this platform is anomaly and duplicate detection. If the same document, duplicate invoice, or similar claim document is uploaded again, the platform automatically raises anomalies. The AI can identify duplicate claims or suspicious similarities between documents, helping insurers reduce fraud and prevent duplicate payouts. So, this is how the SOC Claim Intelligence platform helps automate claim validations, improve processing accuracy, reduce manual effort, and strengthen fraud detection using AI powered intelligence. Thank you for watching the demo. To know more or implement this solution for your organization, feel free to connect with InsureNest. Thank you.